Hi everyone, it's Heidi Loeppky here with Shamaya Tantra, and today I'm going to tackle one of the biggest questions that I get, which is, I don't have a partner to practice with, should I come to a Tantra workshop? I'm going to share with you 3 reasons why that's exactly why you should come to a Tantra workshop. So reason number 1, this might be exactly the thing that you need to get a partner. The energies in Tantra are about, and what I teach in the Shamaya Tantra workshops are about how to fall deeply, madly in love with yourself. And our relationship with ourselves is like a mirror for our relationship with everyone else that we meet. So if you experience yourself as a truly amazing, magnetic being, then the people around you will experience you as a truly awesome magnetic being. So coming to a Tantra workshop alone will help you to access that relationship with yourself. It's kind of like starting with dating yourself first and then moving into dating other people. Because if you, on a subconscious level, don't even like yourself, then how is there going to be room for someone else to like you? And if you feel mediocre, lukewarm about yourself, then it's likely that others will feel the same about you. So this is a great place to start in forming that pivotal, very first relationship with yourself. Now, there's also something which can happen. I've had this happen in workshops where there's a partner exercise which we can modify to do alone. And it sounds boring. I want to do this partner exercise alone, but I've actually had people who manifested their ideal partner doing an exercise on their own. And the reason is Tantra works with so many different energies and so many different archetypes. And if you can think about what are the qualities that I'm looking for in my partner, and then find a way to connect with those energies in a workshop, and then outside in your daily practice, what you're doing is creating the channel, paving the way for those energies to come into your life. So being in an environment where you've got coaching and you've got a setup to access exactly the energies that you want in a relationship is almost like a way to pave the road and bring those energies into your life. So reason number 1, you should attend a Tantra workshop without a partner is because it may be exactly what you need to get a partner. So the second reason to attend a Tantra workshop without a partner, hey Corey, is that, this is a shocker, but Tantra is mostly a solo practice. So when the tradition began, 95% of the practices were done alone. Having a partner was only required for a small proportion of tantric exercises. So here's a tradition that's designed to practice alone. So I'm always surprised when people say, I'm not going to come to the workshop because I have no one to practice with. Because you have the perfect person to practice with, you. In Tantra, we're learning to approach every single moment in your life as a lovemaking. So lovemaking is not restricted to the bedroom, but it's this expanded way of thinking about lovemaking. And what is sex more than 2 opposites coming together? So the opposites in your life, like maybe your mind-body connection, could you unite those in a way that feels like you are making love? Could you unite your inner masculine and inner feminine? Could those 2 make love inside of you? And here's a way that we can start to expand our idea of sex. And that's really what Tantra comes down to. There's a quote that I love, and it talks about the difference between classical Tantra and Neo Tantra, which, by the way, I think are both beautiful and really valuable. And this quote says, Neo Tantra ritualizes sex, and classical Tantra sexualizes every ritual in your day. So when you study the tantric mythology and the philosophy, there's this really high-level lovemaking that's going on between the different principles of the universe all the time. And if we study this, we get to kind of jump on that boat and be making love as we eat our breakfast, as we walk down the street, as we lay our head down to take a nap at the end of the day. So there's lots in this tradition, and especially if you're in a workshop with me, there's always ways to practice Tantra on your own. And thirdly, what's the third reason you might want to come to a Tantra workshop without a partner is, well, you just might meet one there. What better place to go than somewhere where you've got shared intentions, shared interests, a common language that you can develop at this workshop and take outside and perhaps explore relating with each other. So there you have it, 3 reasons why it's a great idea to attend a Tantra workshop, even if you don't have a partner. There's many more, but I'm going to leave this one short for today. I'm currently in Toronto, Ontario, doing some workshops and coaching. So if you're here, reach out. I'd love to see you. I've got the couples course running on Thursdays right now. If you are in a partnership, there's Tantra for you too. And I look forward to seeing you next time our paths cross. Have a beautiful night.